Hi, Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and today we're unboxing this box from Dayspring. It includes some new Bible journaling products. So I thought I would open it up, see what's inside, and maybe play with them with you today. So let me go ahead and get started. I knew that this box was coming, but I don't know the price point of anything inside. So maybe there might be something that clues us into the price point. If not, I will make sure I link up for you so that you can find out the price. I will do my best to get that to you if there isn't anything on the invoice here. Oh good, there is. There is something on the invoice. I will know what the prices are. So let's see, we have two items in the box. The first one is a 5-tray carry-all for washi tape, I think. Oh yeah, okay. So this is an organization tray. Let me just show you. We'll open it up and we'll check it out together because I only got word that it was coming and that was all. That was all I got. Okay, so this is it's called a 5-tray carry-all case, and it's used to organize your supplies, but I'm really thinking washi tape. I'm thinking washi tape here because you guys see how I store washi tape. So I store, you've seen other videos, I store my washi tape on embroidery hoops that I hang up on the wall, so it helps me to see all my washi tape at a glance. And then I have my faith-based stuff on my faith-based washi tape on this little holder my mom gave me that she purchased from, I think, HSN for bracelets, but she has too many bracelets, so she was just gonna get rid of this, and I thought it would be great for my washi tape. But this is really cool because this I could carry with me. I could put all my faith-based washi tape in here. So let's just check it out. So the carry-all looks like this, and they have each little compartments, and each of the little compartments are little tiny boxes. It says create, inspire, celebrate. I got really encouraging words here. And that's another, so basically you have a lined box, and then you have a scripture, not scripture, but a inspirational word looking box, and you get 1, 2, 4, you get 5 total in the carry-on case with a little handle. And according to the invoice that they sent me here, it is retailing for $24.99. So, and usually with Dayspring, if you purchase up to like $50 US, then they will send it for free usually if you spend $50. That's kind of what they do normally. So sometimes you can even use a coupon as well. And we always share the coupons at our Facebook page, and I will do better at sharing coupons in the YouTube community. I keep forgetting to do that, so I just apologize. Takes time for me to correct behavior sometime. So there's that one. All I'm doing is just putting in my washi tape, my faith-based washi tape in here, because then I'll just be able to carry it with me when I go places. If I'm going to visit somebody and I'm going to do Bible journaling with them, or if I'm going to go travel, I'll have all my washi tape organized here. If you don't know, we can see how many washi tape rolls this will hold. So that, or does it say it on there? It doesn't say it on there, so let's do it together. So well, that's kind of a bigger roll. That's a thicker roll. I'm trying to figure out standard size washi tape rolls, how many will fit of the standard size. This one feels like kind of small. So let me take that one out, and let me see if I can add one more. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 50, 20, that's 70 rolls of washi tape, of regular sized, standard size rolls of washi tape. So obviously if you have fatter ones like this one, it's going to be less, or thinner ones, it's going to be like this one, will be more. So that's plenty. Of course, I don't think I have 70 of faith-based washi tape. Faith-based washi tape I find is hard to find. Like, it's not easy to buy, and so whenever I can get it on sale, I usually will buy some. Of course, I'm always trying to just use my washi tape. There we go. And let's do this last one here. There's nothing in these little boxes, I don't think. Nope. So I can just finish putting my washi tape in here, and that is that. So now all my faith-based washi tape can go with me. I'm not sure if I want to just include this in here so that washi doesn't just flop around everywhere. There we go, it's all set up. Now I can go places. Yay! Travel with the washi tape. It's so cool. I love it. So $24.99 is the price point for this. And the next thing is in here is an expanded carry-all case, which I think is a sticker holder essentially. Oh, this is cool. It's the expanding carry-all case. It says, "He who started a good work in you will complete it." Philippians 1:6. You know, I actually do not have one of these. I used to have something like this for coupons. I used to do like a ton of coupon cutting, and I would have all my coupons with me at the store, which is awesome. Okay, so it comes, so this case is like this. Let me pull that sticker off here. It's nice, cute little polka dotted one, nice, sturdy. You know, just if you've ever seen an expanding case, it's that same kind of plasticky cover to it. And this retails for $11.99. And it says it's easily you can easily wash it with, I guess, a damp cloth, it says. So if you get, you know, it dirty because you're carrying it with you everywhere, then you can just wipe it down, it says. And then, so you can organize it if you want to by alphabet. So they come with little alphabet tabs. And then if you don't like to do it by alphabet, you can do it by a verse if you want to. You can just take the tab. So instead of using it as an A-B tab, you just flip it over. And now you write whatever you want to on your own tab. So, and then you just place it. If I can do that on camera for you, there's a little place here for you to slide it in. Once you have it done. There we go. Technical difficulty here. Put your tab there like that. Or, you know, you can just use one of those other tab makers. So this is really designed for stickers. Let me see if I have some stickers. I do. So sometimes I don't use all my digital printables, and so they're here basically cut out. And, oh good, it's going to fit. Nice. Yay! Okay, so that's good news. What I mean, I guess I should share with you how exciting that is. So a lot of times I will have digital printables that I have not finished yet. And obviously the whole page of printables is not going to fit in this little expanding case. So what I can do is just cut off. I can basically cut it in half, essentially. I think half. Well, obviously I didn't cut it in half, but I can cut the top off as well. Like that. And then I can put my stickers in here, in whatever way they will be organized. Yep. So that will fit just fine, and I have my stickers there. But if I don't want that peeking off the edge like that, I can just come in with my scissors and just, you know, cut around the stickers that I'm maybe used already, so I can just put those aside and then just put them right in there. And what's really cool is, like, when you do your printables every month, you could prep your bag to go. So you could come in here, cut out your printables, and throw them in here. Let me see if I can find a set of printables that's full so I can show you what I'm trying to talk about. So there's that. It peeks out a little bit, but that'll work. Okay, so let me see if I can find, sometimes I have extra printables that, you know, for some reason I needed to test or something, I'm not really sure. Sometimes I just have extras. So just come in here and then I could just cut them, I think, close to in half probably. And then I could put them in here and get them ready to go for the month. And then I could take, see, yeah, that works great. And then I can just take it with me and everything's ready to go. So I've got that, I've got my washi tape, and huge shout out to Dayspring. Thank you guys so much for sending this. I can always use some organization. So thanks so much, guys. I appreciate it. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. Goodbye.